it is Tonya from Tonya's Bakeshop, and today's video is going to be my favorite Gymshark shorts. So let's get started. These shorts are one of my faves, and I actually have them in so many freaking colors. These are the training loose fit shorts. There's a very stretchy waistband, and the material is super thin and flowy, but I do like how the material's cut. Even when I'm like squatting or anything, I don't really ever feel like I'm super exposed. These are amazing for lounging around, for working out, for doing HIIT or anything like that. The material doesn't stick to your skin at all, and the band actually has a rubber inside so that it stays in place. You don't have to worry about the waistband kind of moving all around. These ones are like a light purple color. I have these in about like 4 or 5 different colors. I love them so much. These are $25, and they always keep coming out with like new patterns on the Gymshark site. The next pair of shorts that we are going to be going over are the flex shorts. I also am obsessed with the flex shorts. They are high-waisted, and they have kind of like a different two-tone color on them, so it kind of accentuates the booty. These ones also have a very stretchy waistband, but it does not have anything inside on the waistband, so it can move a little bit. The other thing I have noticed with these shorts is these are about a year old. I had a pair that I actually sold on Poshmark a few months ago, but I do notice that sometimes if you are kind of rough taking your shorts off, or if you like rip them off and pull too wide, eventually this band does kind of stretch out a little bit, so that's something to watch for. You don't want to like overly stretch them, because this, when it gets out of shape, it's pretty hard to go back into shape. These next shorts are my absolute favorite from Gymshark. These ones are the Legacy shorts. I love the detailing on the back and the old school Gymshark logo. My favorite part though, guys, is the drawstring on the side. So there is like no pocket or anything right here. It kind of looks like there is one, but there's a drawstring that you can pull, and it kind of like rises the shorts just a little bit, so you guys can see the difference. A little bit more of like a quad pop on this side, and then more of a biker short length on the other side. So generally, I'll pull both of the drawstrings and then wear them a little higher on the thighs. These are high-waisted. All my shorts are pretty much, everything I wear is pretty much high-waisted. These are super cute and definitely my favorite shorts. The next shorts are another version of the flex shorts. These ones come up a little bit higher on the waist, and they also have two tones to accentuate the booty. The band is definitely different, so the material of the shorts goes all the way up to the band, so this is a very stretchy band. I haven't noticed at all that the band stretches or anything like that. Like, it doesn't lose its shape. These ones are the longest of these shorts. They are like a full length biker short, but you can always pull them up just a little bit by the thigh, spread around the extra material. These are super cute, and these ones come in a million colors. The last of my favorite shorts are going to be another version of the Legacy fitness shorts. So these ones are kind of like the loose fit training shorts, but the material is like a cotton. It has a thick waistband, and they are flowy. It has the old school Gymshark logo on the booty. These ones I love for like a rest day, for just lounging around the house. There is a drawstring that you can tie. These ones I think are super underrated and so cute. Just throw like a sweatshirt or a crop top and you are ready to go. There you have it, guys. Those are my favorite Gymshark pieces. Some of the pieces are discontinued on the Gymshark site, but you guys know I am a big fan of Poshmark. I sell a lot of my Gymshark on Poshmark, and I also have bought certain Gymshark pieces that I wasn't able to find, or if I missed the launch or whatever, it's sold out, I've also used Poshmark to buy and sell some Gymshark pieces. I hope you guys get your hands on your favorite things, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.